pramugara Anda. Rumah ini dijelaskan.
So how to find food on Cenang in the morning? Like everybody is still sleeping. So we got to fill up an immigration form, which looks something like this.
Siempre hay party en la terraza, tomamos 3 tazas, una con veneno y 2 con muchas ganas. Y baby tengo ganas, chingarte aquí, debajo del cielo, encima de mí. Yeah, I'ma risk it all, baby, keep it high key. I'm a little bit thirsty, I need my sangria. You been sipping on, sipping on me. Let me take a
Faster lah, just do what you wanna do.
So basically this ferry cost 152 bucks. My friends just don't support my vlogging journey. I mean, it's just really hard to vlog. I will talk to you personally. Bag nanti hantar ya?
Bag nanti kami hantar.
Dalam sejam ni.
Nanti orang turun, bantu terus masuk bag hantar. Boleh.
This is the first time that I've been to an immigration literally on the waters, barefoot, and yeah, it's interesting. Whoa. Look ahead. Look at the cliff. Look ahead. What? Look at the view. Look at what? Oh shit, that's nice. Right? After all the dust and this is where the breakfast is, and then like I guess it was good, right? Hi guys, so welcome to Koh Lipe Resort. Firstly, I am like super excited and super impressed because as you saw, this place is like they have oh my god, I'm stuck. A beautiful views. The good thing about a resort on a cliff, you get the view from above, and they also have their private beach. So I cannot wait to check it out because there were lots of free facilities. The food was alright. Was okay. It was nice. The rooms are pretty simple, clean, spacious. It's a bit rustic. Yeah, overall it's been great so far. And they have a free shuttle service every 8 p.m. to the walking street. What? Walking street. To the walking street. So maybe we will check out walking street later. So till then. So I'm at the cliff, so that's the resort, and then they have their private beach. It's pretty stony, rocky. Well, it's a cliff, what can you expect? But according to him, when the tide is higher, you can do those activities. And paddleboarding, kayaking, canoeing is all free. Snorkeling as well. But as soon as I wanted to go in just now, he mentioned there are sea urchins, and we did take a walk and we saw the sea urchins. Wow, so clear! Hey, there! There, sea urchin there! Are you okay, man? Where?
There!
This one.
There, you can see!
CJ here.
Not floating one.
No, this one down here in the center. The black one.
I'm turning back time just to see it all again. Wanna know if I'm alright. Ooh, it's not easy to find what I'm looking for in the end. Just wanna know what I'm about. Feels up and turns back down. We're all looking for the moment when getting to not knowing.
The water is so shallow that the corals are right here. It's so shallow, super low tide that I just saw a couple of blue striped fishes. Let me try to find them again. Ah!
I don't know what it's like to live a life like yours.
It's very difficult, it's very challenging. You need to constantly think about footage and angles and stuff, you know? Can you cut the crab? I think you're adopted. Yeah, I feel the same about you.
You have it first?
Yeah, I can find this in Malaysia lah, but it's nice. How's it? Thanks for the enthusiasm. Yeah, I don't know. That's not a sword. What is it? Swordfish? Swordfish? I don't think so.
Yeah, it's a sword, right?
Swordfish don't have that one. You were there? The rest are with
Sorry, I'm a bit confused. Are you talking to me or are you talking to the camera?
Everybody, pay attention. So, we will go to Pattaya or Sunrise. I think from Pattaya there will be more stuff like that. Have you seen who's offering one to go maybe to 2 spots, 3 spots?
Yeah, I think it would be better to go to Pattaya.
Should I? Oh, what? This is a classic Malaysian example. When somebody falls, we laugh first. Then maybe are you okay?
No, we didn't even ask.
Orange for you, sweetie.
Thank you. This is our friend from Andhra. So, hi guys, we're at Sunrise Beach, and man, we like sort of sneaked in into a resort called Irene, and they have a fantastic pool and bar there, and just look at these rooms, my goodness. It is a beautiful... Actually, it's a super last minute random trip as usual, it's me. So a lot of rooms were booked, like even we got the last 2 rooms like available on our resort. But these rooms cost quite a bomb, but however, there's always the next time. and we should check out sunrise. Welcome guys to Sunrise Beach.
I'm an island girl.
Strong, like, and the water will go out, or same as the mask, you will remove the snorkel, empty it, and put it back in the mouth. Okay. And this is made, you see, to put your teeth in between, so you don't need to hold super strong. Normally it stays by himself. Okay.
Perfecto.
Tell a hater they should get like me. Seem like everybody wanna be the boss, but it costs and these lames ain't like me. Drop a couple bands on the crypto fans, no my go. I ain't gotta tell them what it is. Tell them I'm a grown man, so you'll never fool me with the cap you be selling to the kids. Shorty, we the lords of the land, we wavy. Bad little mama tryna in a coupe seat color like gravy. Children of the sun, why these so shady? Boss talk with the wolf pack, I ain't never looked back. Got a couple bands and I flip that. I be chillin' with my shorty, got the crib on karate. Keep up, little baby, that's a kickback. Can't flex on the living hate free, but he say real, but I know that can't be. Payin' for the late fee, hit her from the side till I get home safely. Got 3 chains on me, neck strong, then a checks long, then a I'm up now. And I make little baby feel good in the hood around you. Shorty can't put her cup down. Glide through your hood like soap on a runway. No sleep, check a bag on a Sunday. Get it in a moment, I don't gotta say one day. Be cool, he don't really want gunplay. Slide to your side like a spoon on ice cream. Say I'm falling off, baby, that's a pipe dream. Everybody win when they ball for the right team.
No, really, jellyfish oil.
You got me in the mood. It feels like I'm about to get screwed. My heart is easily misled. They say once you get older you regret. Head in the clouds, give me time. What is the harm? There's no crime. Out there, I throw myself out there, but not a care in the world. I'm a big girl with too much love.
So we've come to the end of the trip. It was a lovely 3-day 2-night here at Lipe Resort and at Koh Lipe Island, and overall we had a wonderful time. I will give my trip a 8 out of 10. Okay, I guess what they're trying to say is we all were probably expecting a bit more of colorful corals, but they weren't as colorful. I don't mean to racially discriminate the corals, but they were pretty browny, but there were lots of fishes that we saw, jellyfishes, and a bucket list sting. But I have to say, from my memory and from my little traveling, excuse me, I'm trying to vlog. Yeah, from the little traveling I've done and from the little snorkeling I've done, I feel like I've seen more colorful things in Malaysia. I could be wrong, it's a very bold statement when I know the whole world raves about Koh Lipe. Maybe I should do a trip back to one of those places and make a small comparison. But till then I will continue in another video. And now I'm going to miss this beautiful view.